Hello, this video will show you how to build IoT products using Gizwits IoT development platform. The topics covered in the video include overview of Gizwits Cloud Access, development process, developer account registration, product creation, data point creation, MCU development, app development, debugging and support for mass production. Gizwits provides an IoT cloud service platform for our business partners as well as individual developers. The platform provides big data analytics, AI applications, and IoT services by means of APIs, comprehensive SDKs, IDE development environments, MCU code auto-generator, app code auto-generator, and a wide range of microservices. In order to achieve an end-to-end development experience, on the device side, Gizwits provides the Network Access Module G-Agent and standard serial port communication protocol, and supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPRS, NB-IoT, and other wireless access methods. On the app side, Gizwits provides a wide variety of SDKs such as iOS, Android, API Cloud, WeChat. With the help of Gizwits IoT Cloud Platform, our business partners and individual developers can leverage the industry-grade connectivity management, device management, application enablement, data analytics, billing, security, and third-party system integration capabilities to build, deploy, and manage IoT products and applications. The general development process consists of the following steps. Step 1. Set up a project online and build that model of an IoT product. Step 2. Use auto-generated embedded and mobile libraries to develop hardware, mobile, and cloud applications. Step 3. Integration and testing of applications. Step 4. Apply for the product release. Before using Gizwits platform services, you need to register a Gizwits developer account first. Gizwits offers individual developer account and enterprise developer account. If you are an enterprise user, please be sure to apply for an enterprise developer account. Click Create a new product in the developer zone after registration and login. This video takes the smart light as example. For the product category, I select Smart Home, Accessories, Lighting, and in the product name field, type a name for the product. Then, there are 3 types of network access plans for us to choose from: Wi-Fi mobile network, Bluetooth, and Gateway. Here, the Wi-Fi mobile network is selected. For the communication mode, I choose Wi-Fi, and for the data transmission mode, I choose fixed length, and then click Save. Now, the Develop Wizard page appears. In the left navigation pane, click on the basic information under the product information. Here is an overview of the product we just created, where product key and product secret are automatically generated fields. Then go back to the Develop Wizard page that just opened and click Add Data Point. Click New Data Point on this page. The data point refers to the functional abstraction that the product has, which are represented by different data types. For example, the simplest device switch has the following functions: on and off, which can be abstracted as one data point with Boolean type. 0 means off, 1 means on. Here, the ID is set to power, the read-write type set to writable, the data type set to Boolean, and click End to complete the creation of the first data point. Then, the platform will automatically jump to the data point list page, where we can see the result of the created data point. You can continue to add multiple data points to your product. For example, you can add 4 data points to this product. Okay, after completing the 3rd step of data point creation, let's proceed to the 4th step, MCU development. Using the MCU called auto-generator provided by Gizwits, the cloud will generate the device-side code for the corresponding product based on the data points defined in the third step. The automatically generated MCU code implements the packet encapsulation and parsing of the Gizwits communication protocol, the conversion logic of sensor data and communication data. All of these functions are integrated into a simple API set. When the device receives data from the cloud or the app, the program converts the data into corresponding events and notifies the application layer. You only need to add the sensor control function to the corresponding event handler to complete the product development. Next, let's start to do MCU development with Gizwits platform. Go back to the development wizard page that you just opened and click MCU development. For the hardware solution, there are two options to choose from: independent MCU solution and SoC solution. The independent MCU solution adopts the form of MCU plus Wi-Fi module. The Wi-Fi module is responsible for interacting with the cloud and communicates with MCU through the serial port, while the MCU parses Gizwits serial port communication protocol and implements peripheral control logic and data acquisition from sensors. The SoC solution only uses a Wi-Fi module. That means the internal resources of the Wi-Fi module are used to complete the sensor operation and the product control logic, and simultaneously perform communication with the cloud. Compared with the independent MCU scheme, one MCU is saved. The disadvantage is that the Wi-Fi module has less I/O resources, and the development is more complicated. Here, we choose the independent MCU solution. In the hardware platform drop-down list, we select the first item. If the corresponding MCU is not found in the list, then other platform can be selected. Then find Product Secret on the Product Basic Information page on the left navigation pane and type it here, then click on Generate Code. After the MCU code is generated, click Download to use it. This is the directory structure of the MCU code, and the important part is displayed in the red box. If you want to know the serial port communication protocol, you can download it on the Development Wizard page. After completing the fourth step, MCU development, let's proceed to the fifth step, app development. For this step, we can leverage the app code auto-generator to get the app code online and compile it to use. The Gizwits app code auto-generator is an open-source app code that implements the complete functions based on the Gizwits app open-source framework. The code does not need to be modified and can be deployed on the phone to control devices. You can tailor the source code according to your own needs and quickly develop an app for your smart hardware. The automatically generated app has basic functions such as user registration and login, device discovery, device ending, device list display, device control, and push notification. Next, let's start to do app development using Gizwits platform. First, open App Configuration on the services in the left navigation pane and click Add New Application. Fill in the application name as Smart Light Android App, then select Android as the platform and click Add. This is the result of the new application where App ID and App Secret are automatically generated. Go back to the Development Wizard page and click on App Development. On the App Development page, there are three platforms to choose from: Android, iOS, and API Cloud. We choose Android. The selected application will be filled in automatically, and the product secret can be found on the Product Basic Information page. Then click on Generate Code. After the app code is generated, click the Download button. The downloaded file contains two folders, which correspond to different IDE environments. You can choose the right folder for development or reference. In addition, Gizwits provides a suite of simulation tools, including virtual device and debugging app. Regardless of whether you have already delivered smart hardware or not, you can use the virtual device and the debugging app to understand the Gizwits Cloud Access principle when you use the Gizwits Cloud for the first time, so that you can experience the Gizwits Cloud Access service intuitively. The virtual device is a smart hardware simulator automatically generated by Gizwits Cloud, which can simulate the communication behavior of the real smart device to be developed or being developed. This tool can be accessed by clicking on Virtual Device in the left navigation pane. Beyond using your own developed app, Gizwits provides the Debug app. You can easily use the app to debug and verify devices when developing smart hardware on the Gizwits platform. This app has functions such as using registration, login, logout, and can perform basic device operations such as configuring network access, device discovery, device bounding, device login, device control, and status report. Scan this QR code to download the Debug app. On the virtual device page that you just opened, click Start Virtual Device to navigate to the Virtual Device Online Debugging page. You will see three functional areas: Debugging Tips, Simulating Device to report data, and Communication Log. Click Device Log in the left navigation pane. You can view the virtual device log record and its details page. After completing the 6 steps above, you can apply for product release online. After the product is released, the manufacturer and Gizwits can sign the GDCS agreement to officially connect the products of mass production to Gizwits Cloud. The products will be monitored 24 hours per day by the Gizwits technicians to ensure stable operation. So far, this video describes how to quickly develop IoT products using Gizwits platform. You can see that using the self-service tools, comprehensive SDKs, and API service capabilities, Gizwits minimizes the technical threshold for the IoT development, reduces the costs, accelerates the production speed, as well as help users carry out product upgrades to better connect and serve the ultimate consumers. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit Gizwits website.